A great feature to any contact page is a map, and that is done with the map element. Go to add elements and then we look for map. Click, hold and drag and drop it in the area where you want it to go. To make changes, click on it to interact with it, and the first thing you'll do is to go and change the location. From the options toolbar all the way to the left and simply type in the address. Use the zoom to zoom out or zoom in. And if you want to, you can apply filters. There's colors, alignment, and you can change the width and the height of it to your need. Otherwise, simply click on it and drag with the handlebars to the required size you would like it to be. Remember, let's go to our tablet device as well and make sure it looks good on all displays.